Hot start video number 2. It's a lot hotter today. It's 90 degrees Fahrenheit ambient, and I got the Brock AVS on here right now. So it starts just as easy as the Holly, whatever the other carburetor had on there. Oh, jeez, what escapes me now? The Proform Holly 650 double pumper. A little bit more vacuum and idle with this carb. Did like tune to it. Just the step-up springs, and that's about it. But it's a lot smoother, a lot better fuel economy. Let's go check it out. Jeez. Walk around. Idling about 900 RPM. Doesn't get that hot in Seattle, but 90 degrees for us is hot. There she is. It's got the late 70s, early 80s Chrysler cooling system, basically. The 26-inch radiator and shroud. That radiator is like what you see like in a Ram truck, or like W150, W250 maybe. It's a smart way to go about doing things. These guys put rubber trans. I don't know. People put rubber trans on having trouble keeping it cool. This is the way to go. This is a lot more reliable. I'm running the severe service Hayden fan clutch on it. A lot of fan noise. Kind of sounds like a police car. Probably overkill. It starts up, gets down to 180, 185, something like that. It's nice to hear the motor. It makes it sound like a police car. Almost like a quad jet. Turbo one. I think I'll take that off. Not just keep it, I'll take it off. Put that later on. So timing right now, I think it's at like 12 to 15, something like that. I don't know. I'll check it in 2 weeks. It starts at 8 now. So, man, that's all she goes. What's it? So idle right now is about 1,000. Water temperature is, I guess that's about 180. There's my fucking Harley Davidson gauge. Just put a Honda gauge in here. Honda CBX gauge. We're good. So back to 100.